Guys, so ngayong umaga guys is mag-facial lang ako sa aking face guys. So ito po yun.
Bugna sa piyong.
I'm so hungry. It looks yummy. Oh no! Please use good manners at the table. Wash your hands. This is yummy. Keep your mouth closed when you chew because food might get everywhere. Keep your mouth closed when you chew. Now you are using good manners.
Nakuha kang delikabot sa
Me, I go first. Oh no! Please use good manners when playing with your siblings. Line up, make a line. Move slowly and hands by your side. Line up, make a line. Now you are using good manners.
lamia.
When you sneeze,
Ito guys, so ito guys, ginagamit ko is as if lang to. Baka naman mag-ano din yung ko, face ko. Maging flawless. Kaya ginagamit ko, nagpagamit ako ng facial face. So ito guys, parang makati-kati at malamig, parang nanonof-soap sa face mo.
Dance lang baby. Sige, dance baby. Ay, ang rasit ka na mama.